What is up YouTube? Today I'm going to be customizing this small bag with a anime related theme. In my head I just wanted something very simple at the front over here, something to do with like a character that I actually wanted to customize. However, I cannot pronunciate the character's name to save my life, nor can I pronunciate the anime's name to save my life. So just read the title of this video if you want to know where I got this idea from. The anime name, it'll be in the title, as well as I'll probably put a link in the description for you guys to go see who the character's name, and you can go Google it. Now for the materials I'm going to be using for this simplistic custom, I'll just put it in the link description. So if you guys want to know exactly how I go about customizing this, please read the link in the description. Also, just one more thing, can you please like this video, share it, also subscribe to my channel if you've seen the type of customs I do. You guys already know that I love doing customs that are really detailed and, you know, really different compared to the customs you normally see. So if you do like the type of customizations I do on this channel, subscribe, share my videos, like this video as well, and let's get straight into it.
I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, what? Smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. I got me a check, pray that bitch don't bounce. I got me a plot to go and cut my mama house. I got too much on my plate to look you up and down. I got booted out the school, you zooted off an ounce. In a few months they'll see, I'm on my way, tuning my frequency. Shutting my neck gon' freeze, money put me at ease. Wanna go get my cheese, I ain't gon' need ID. They just wanna get closer to me, getting colder to me. You ain't no one to me. They won't fuck me over, my team way too kosher and we too sober to leave at 10 o'clock, feeding for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, what? Smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how it goes. These days I don't get no sleep. Fuck them all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. They patience were now playing dress up. I don't get it. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL. Lately I don't go to sleep unless the sun is up. Think I'm wasting all this time feeling kinda stuck. Not enough reps, only cast who the fuck does legs now. Way too busy feeling stressed out. I'm just tryna get ahead now. Going out, I'm just tryna get ahead now. Been a while since I stepped out. Too young, waited out, dropped out from the school, so I woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, that's just how it goes. Wanna do getting older. These days I don't get no sleep. Fuck them all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Feeling good don't last a long time. Been a long time coming, hitting stop signs. Cross faded till I'm cross-eyed. Lost my sense of who I was, who I am. It's the wrong guy. Thoughts gon' multiply, boss with it. Be a boss with it, cost with it. What this motherfucker costing me constantly. Run your little mouth off, knock your smile off. What you bout now? You gon' bow down right about now. Not the type to hit the backspace. I ain't got no time to fuck around like them bitches up on Backpage. Want the days, I don't gotta chase cause we backstage. Savor in my brain, anything but the cachet. I need my caffeine, I need my caffeine. Go get my coffee, I need my coffee. I need my caffeine, I need my caffeine. Go get my coffee, I need my coffee. I need my coffee, I need my coffee. I need my coffee.
So guys, this is what the final customized bag looks like. Like I said in the beginning, I wanted something very simplistic, nothing too complicated, nothing too crazily detailed, but detailed nonetheless. The one thing I love about this customization is the actual facial expression of the character. Now, like I said in the beginning, I cannot pronunciate the character to save my life, nor can I pronunciate the anime itself to save my life. So if you guys want to know who this character is, just go into the description and I'll probably put his name in the description, or you can just take the name of this video and put it on Google or on YouTube and you should be able to find out who this character is. Now, moving on to other things that I wanted to talk about this custom, I also wanted to do something also like very simplistic in my next bag that I was gonna customize. So if you guys do like this custom, please do like this video, please do share it, please also do subscribe. It does help me grow my channel. It does also help me feel as if you guys do appreciate the customs that I do. And if you guys are wondering how come this wasn't as crazy detailed as my previous customs, I just wanted something simplistic like I said. So if you guys do want to see a crazy detailed creative custom, just hit my name in the video as you can see and you'll be able to go into my channel and you'll be able to see a whole list of customs that I've done that are equally as crazy, equally as childish as this particular custom. So I'm not gonna drag this video out any longer. Guys, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.
Shit to end. You don't